Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest in crypto, trading, and exciting opportunities. In today's video, we're diving into Binance's brand new game, Moonbix. Please subscribe to my channel and press on bell icon for more informative videos. A thrilling opportunity that not only lets you have fun, but also stake early and collect valuable points that could turn into future rewards. Be sure to check out the link to the game in the description below. And stay tuned to learn how you can take advantage of this unique game on Binance. Moonbix is an innovative game recently launched on Binance, designed to engage users in a fun and competitive way while earning points through staking. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or a casual gamer, Moonbix offers a brand new experience where every move matters. So, what's the game about? Moonbix has a futuristic theme where players can participate in various challenges and missions. The goal is to accumulate as many points as possible by staking your crypto early and making strategic in-game decisions. These points may later be redeemed for exclusive rewards and prizes within the Binance ecosystem. Remember, the game link is in the description below. Here's where it gets really exciting. Staking early in Moonbix can give you a major advantage. Early birds get the opportunity to collect more points, which means higher chances to win big in the game. Not only will you boost your score, but you'll also earn rewards faster than those who stake later. Staking is simple. You choose your preferred asset, lock it in for the game, and immediately start collecting points. Binance makes it easy with a seamless interface, so whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, you can jump in and start playing within minutes. Again, don't forget to check the description for the link to get started. Wondering how to get started? It's easy. First, head over to the Binance platform and look for the Moonbix game under the New Offerings section, or just click the link in the description. After that, select your staking asset, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even Binance Coin. Stake your asset, and you're ready to go. As soon as your staking is confirmed, you'll start accumulating points. From there, it's all about strategy. Complete missions, unlock achievements, and climb the leaderboard. The more you engage, the higher your chances of securing top rewards. Why should you join Moonbix today? Aside from the thrill of the game, it's an incredible way to maximize your staking potential. Binance has consistently offered great rewards for its community, and this game is no exception. Whether you're in it for the fun or for the rewards, Moonbix is designed to make staking both engaging and rewarding. Don't miss out on this limited-time opportunity to get ahead of the game. And remember, the link to Moonbix is in the description below. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Binance now, stake early, and collect those points in Moonbix. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest crypto games and investment opportunities. Check the description for all the details, and we'll see you in the next video.